Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy of chili paneer. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a wide pan and sear paneer cubes until golden brown, then set aside. Sauté 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves garlic and 1 inch ginger until soft. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and 1 tsp chili powder, simmer to a thick base. Stir in soy sauce, vinegar, sugar and simmer to balance flavors before adding paneer and water. Start by choosing firm paneer for best texture and avoid soggy results. Use fresh tomatoes or tomato puree to control acidity. Toast spices briefly to unlock their aroma, and taste as you go to adjust salt and heat. Cornstarch slurry helps achieve a glossy gravy. Add gradually until desired thickness. Finish with chopped spring onions and a squeeze of lemon for brightness, and serve hot with rice or parathas today. Vary the gravy by adding bell peppers and cashews for a richer mouthfeel, or toss in mushrooms for an earthy twist. For a smoky touch, char tomatoes and use smoked chili powder sparingly. Make it creamier with a tablespoon of butter or 2 tablespoons of cream for silkiness. Adjust sweetness with a pinch of sugar or honey if tomatoes are too tart. Serve with garnishes like coriander, spring onion, and sesame seeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.